We will be driving the all-new 2026 model Bugatti Mistral, and I don't know how to feel. This feels like a dream come true. 3, 2, 1. This is the feeling of freedom. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today you join me with an absolute beauty. We will be driving the all-new 2026 model Bugatti Mistral, and I don't know how to feel. This feels like a dream come true. We have the car sitting right in front of us, just looking at the rear. We have the interior here. It's full blue exposed carbon fiber. This is how the interior looks like. Bugatti Mistral open top version. This is quite special. We are in France right now, invited by Bugatti, and we are one of the first to drive this car. So join me for today's drive. We will be having Andy Wallace as a passenger to guide me through, and our first ever driving experience inside the Bugatti Mistral. We have the Mistral right over here, Mistral side profile also right over here. And if you want to watch the full walk around video of this car, just check the info box above. So let's get on and let's start today's drive. And let's jump right inside the Bugatti Mistral. Yeah, entering the car is pretty easy. I mean, at the end of the day, we're still talking about hypercar, and this feels so comfortable. We have this cocoon effect all around, extremely driver focused here. We have Andy Wallace as my passenger here. Hello, Andy. Hi. And I don't know if I should be more excited about driving the Mistral or sitting next to this man here.
I think driving the Mistral.
Mistral is even crazier, right? It's quite special. Let me just put on the seatbelts. And then we will be ready to go. We have the engine button right over here and the keys already inside. 3, 2, 1, pushing the brakes and starting up the Bugatti Mistral. Listen up. It's quite nice, already familiar if you've already heard the startup of the Chiron. We have the 1600 horsepower engine setup as we have with the Super Sport, for example. In the interior there's also not a lot of differences. The only thing that I notice is the shift knob here. Just look at that. We have the elephant inside here. It's quite cool as a detail. We also have the Mistral side profile stitched inside. The interior setting, the quality, the feel is so cool. Even though this car has already done 38,000 kilometers, the interior looks amazing. The quality, the materials is absolute perfection. Anyways, it's all about driving this car. Andy, am I allowed to do a bit of a sound check here for the viewers?
Go for it.
Okay, listen guys. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's quite cool. I will be telling you more about this car when we start with the drive. So all you gotta do is push this to the right. Then we are in driving mode. We're ready to go. This thing is ready to move forward like a rocket, I'm telling you. The W16 engine is not joking. And the intake noises, the sound makes it so pure, so nice. Now let's go and switch to Autobahn driving mode. Ay, 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 ay. I can do this the entire day. It's so much fun, so much power, so much emotions. And we have the open top here, enjoying a lot of sun today. And the pure sound. This is incredible. The sound, the drive. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. The feeling is incredible. This is the feeling of freedom. Ay, ay, ay.